This is a section which is based on contemporary developments. A lot of questions were asked from the topics that we had discussed in our expected question series. So the disaster management plan was launched by Ministry of Home Affairs in 2016, and this was inaugurated under the recent government, and the idea was to release a training manual which was Apda Mitra scheme. Along with that, there was a document of Apda Mitra, the common alerting protocol, and making India disaster resilient. So this disaster management plan, the concept was released in 2016, a very important question. The next is three important scholars, Mahadev Govind Ranade, Gopal Ganesh Agarkar and Gopal Krishna Gokhale. All three of them focused on education and providing equal opportunities for boys and girls through co-educational institutions. So 2 becomes the right option here. Now Ranade along with Abaji Modak founded various girl schools in the region of Maharashtra, and there were the Girl Education Society which was started at Huzur Paga. Similarly, the work of Gopal Ganesh Agarkar was again important. He was the co-founder of societies like New English School, Ferguson College, along with Deccan Education Society. The contribution of Mahadev Govind Ranade is again important, not only in the field of education but also against the economic and the social evils in the society. The next is the STRIDE scheme. We have discussed this in detail in our expected series classes on doorstep video lectures. So this scheme was initiated by UGC, and this is also known as the scheme for transdisciplinary research for India's developing economy. And this talks about innovative solutions for local, regional and national levels. The next is joint forest management. Now joint forest management concept was introduced in 1986 under the Environment Protection Act. It involves both the state as well as the local community. Women can participate, and it varies from state to state, and it has different names in Indian languages. So all 4 of these are the correct option for joint forest management. The next is, which is the correct sequence for concentration of producer gas. Now producer gas is a gas which is made from various materials, all 4 materials which are cited here. Now nitrogen contributes to 50 to 55%. Then you have carbon monoxide 20 to 30%. The percentage of hydrogen is around 10 to 15%. And then you have methane, which is somewhere around 3% or less. So that's how it works. So that would be the correct sequence as we can see. So that would be nitrogen, followed by carbon monoxide, followed by hydrogen, followed by methane, and also carbon dioxide, either of those. Okay, so if we have to find here what would be the right option, so methane would be further less than carbon dioxide, but marginally both of them are around 3%. So the highest proportion is nitrogen, which is D option. Okay, so 2 of them have D option followed by C. Now the quick query here is whether carbon dioxide is higher or methane is higher. So carbon dioxide is relatively higher. Carbon dioxide is around 3%. Methane is a little less than 3%. Okay, so it becomes B and A as the right option. So 2 becomes the right answer for this question. Now those were some of the problems based on higher education and environment, and also contemporary happenings in the society. So very important that you must refer down to earth regularly and have a good idea about the recent events and the recent happenings. Wish you very good luck. Do follow the links for more information. Have a wonderful day ahead.